Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. So yeah, the Binance chart, in yesterday's video I made you aware that this fourth wave might actually be unfolding here as an Elliott Wave triangle. Gave you a resistance area, or you could also call it a potential short trade area. And the price reacted to it very, very nicely, exactly actually where it should have. I think yesterday I made the video when it was just moving into resistance here. In this last wave of the triangle, an E wave. And what we now need, however, to confirm that it's really, let's say, breaking to the downside, we need to see that first break below what we call the low of the D wave at $207. And it should be followed by a break below the $204 level, which is the B wave low. So these are the levels that we need to see broken really, to confirm that a fifth wave breakdown actually is unfolding. And we could, for example, take the height of the A wave here. That's at least one way how we can get to a target for a fifth wave. And then we add it to the end of the triangle. That's how you normally measure it based on Elliott Wave. It's just a very rough guide. I wouldn't trust it. And you get here, if really a high was in place in the E wave, well, you get basically down there to $183, $184, and it would suggest that we are maxing out at least our support area down there. This is the area, basically target area for wave 5. Not saying it will definitely stop there, but I've been watching now for a few weeks here for a drop into the region between $184 and $200. So I'm still watching for that. Next, we need to see if the D wave low is broken. That would be, as I said, first indication that things are changing, and then the break below the B wave low will be confirmation. On the flip side, if we see a break above the C wave high, which is here at on the 18th of September, basically at around $221, if that level breaks to the upside, well, then we might have to reinterpret the triangle. Yeah, it could reset the C wave, okay, because the triangle will really only be invalidated if there is a break above $235. But that we are far away from that, and until then, this move could just be corrective. Again, what we need to see for something more bullish, we need to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, above $235. We're far away from that, or even above micro resistance. But as I said, even if we reset here the C wave a little higher, we would only have 3 waves up. So the moment the forecast remains for further downside, I'm going to observe that in the next few days. If we see something change, anything impulsive to the upside, I will let you know. But at the moment, the whole market is still, I would say, in sell-off mood. Now, that could change in the next few months, okay? But as I said, we can really only focus on what we see here. And what we see is just corrective sideways action, which is a bit messy. And there's currently no reason to be more bullish than we are, which is not much. Okay, short term at least not. Short term, I mean, it's always worth to consider. Do I actually have a long-term chart? I can't remember. Do we have a long-term chart? Yeah, we have a long-term chart. It's always worth to consider the long-term chart as well to understand where we are. And we can see that in the yellow wave count, which is currently the primary scenario, the price should still give us a fifth wave in the next bull run. We talk about $1,000 plus here, actually $1,300 plus, maybe even more, okay? But first of all, we need evidence that the price has bottomed this bear market. This is questionable on the BNB chart because it dropped basically too low, but it still has a chance as long as the $184 level isn't broken to the downside. That's the June 22 low. If we get a break below that level, then it could then send us down to around about $120 in a reset of this wave 4. But that would still not be bearish, basically. It would just lead to a reset of this wave 4. And still a wave 5 in the next bull run is on the table, which just start from a lower base point. But we are basically in a long-term, you could say long-term accumulation area. I don't really want to call it like that, because if you buy here or not depends on you. Altcoins generally are more risky than Bitcoin, Ethereum, which are the only cryptos that I really see as a portfolio asset. So obviously BNB also more risky than Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, BNB is one of the few altcoins that actually outperformed Bitcoin. Okay, most altcoins are not outperforming Bitcoin. Yeah, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.